Did you astral project?
Oh yeah, it's a contract with the demon. So when I astral project, I'm being guided and led by a demon that I have a contract with to astral project. And it was a coincidence that I astral projected to a neighborhood, and when I was coming down to the neighborhood to curse, there was these funny looking people. They were in a circle, holding hands. They had like, I know they were Christian because they were dressed with ugly clothes. So they were like holding hands and praying in the spirit. So I was not able to curse that neighborhood because they would chase me out. Probably my 25 years devil worshiping, I actually project about probably like 15 years. And I lost 2 battles to those Christians that I had to come back into my body and go back another day. Because they had fire. They know how to pray.
Wow, sa mga gantong pagkakataon po natin marirealize kung gaano kahalaga yung prayer. Yung lalaki po sa video ay si John Ramirez. Dati siyang high-ranking official ng satanic cult na Santeria sa Cuba, kung saan binibigay nila yung allegiance nila sa devil para makapag-perform ng witchcraft sa mga tao. Kung hindi pa po kayo aware sa spiritual warfare, I'm sorry to break it to you, pero totoong nangyayari po ito. Pwede nyong i-research yung buhay niya kung gusto nyo. According to his experience, merong isang group of young people na hindi nila kayang i-curse dahil may protection sila na nanggagaling sa Diyos dahil sila po ay nananalangin ng may matinding pananampalataya. Malinaw po na sinasabi ng Bible na hindi kapwa-tao yung kalaban natin, kundi yung spiritual beings or demons sa paligid natin. Sila yung nagkakos ng sin and therefore suffering sa ating lahat. Sabi ng Bible, meron silang power, so hindi natin sila kayang mag-isa. We need God to fight for us. So to everyone who's watching, remember that your prayer is your power. Gamitin natin yung privilege na binigay sa atin ni Jesus na makaharap sa trono ng Diyos in full confidence sa pamamagitan ng pananalangin. Dahil kung hindi namatay si Jesus sa cross, wala tayong karapatan na humiling ng kahit ano sa Diyos. I pray na lahat tayo ay maging katulad ng young people na nasa video na to. Merong divine protection na nanggagaling sa Diyos. It will only be possible we have faith in our prayer.